There's 6 numbers, and it's an order of size. See this symbol here? What does that mean? A is bigger than 20. A could be any number bigger than 20. It could be 25. It could be 38. It could be 100. It could be 20 as well, exactly. We don't know what size A is, but all that we know is it's definitely the biggest number. Okay? Yes. All right, gents. Median. All right? It's an even number. So when there's an even number, does that mean a middle 1 or a middle 2? And who are the middle 2? Add 12 and 18 together and divide by 2 because you want to get the average. So you need to put this into the calculator. Who got 15? All right, we're all in business with 15, okay? Is that cool? Full mark so far? All right. Miriam works out the mean of the 6 numbers. And then she increases that value by 60. Yeah. Cool. Now, lads, imagine for argument's sake, here's a good way of working this out. Imagine for argument's sake, A was 20. Great? And imagine I worked out the mean. Is that all right? Just a hard question because it's sort of like, so I'm going to add all the numbers together. Is that all right? And when I add all the numbers together, I divide by 6, right? So is everybody happy I got 91 when I added them all up? And I divide by 6, okay? Happy days. And when I divide by 6, I get, 15.17. Is that all right? Right. So my average, it add up to 91 and the average is 15.17. Now, what does it tell me to do? Increase the value by 60. It's no longer worth 20, it's worth 80. Does that make sense? Because you're increasing A by a value of 60. What would it add up to now? It won't add up to 91 anymore. What will it add up to now? Yeah. And then divide 151 by, come in. Divide 151 by 6. And what happens to the average? The average is now 25.17. So what happened to the average? It was 15.17 increased by 10. The average increased by 10. Does everybody get that? Now, think about it. When you increase it by 60, that 60 is averaged amongst how many numbers? It's averaged amongst 6 numbers, isn't it? So it's the same thing as increasing each number by 10. Because any increase you have to share amongst 6 numbers. Now you can do this 2 ways. You can do it the second way I showed you, or the first way I showed you is that you make up a number for A, work out the average, make up a new number for A that's 60 bigger, work out the average, and you can see that there's a 10 in the difference, isn't there? So what does it do? Increases the mean by 10. Increases the mean by 10. Who got that one out? That's very difficult. Yeah, fair play. There's no real set way of doing it, was there? So I had to figure it out in your head. All right. Next one. Oh, this one here is not too bad. This next one? Yeah, this one's fairly handy. Top score minus bottom score, Sean? All right. Lads, 177 minus 166. 11, is that all right? Lads, everybody happy enough with the range? Happy enough? Cheers. Is it? Blue side out? Yeah, I should probably just keep it that way then. No, I think it's blue side in because that's the nose thing. No, it's blue side in because that's the nose thing. No, there is a difference. Now, lad, mode of the data is the most common one. So what's that? 168, isn't it? All right, lads. Median is the middle one. How many people is there this time? How many people is there? 7. So it's going to be 169. Is that right? Lads, 169, James. The middle number is the median. All right. All right, lads. Next thing. Lads, we got to work out the mean of the data. You listening? The mean of the data. So, here's what we're going to do. We got to add up all these numbers. Okay? Now, if you're showing this in the exam, it's not good enough. You shouldn't just put in the answer. Lads, you two listening? You shouldn't just put in the answer. You should actually put in your workings, because if you just put in the answer, you either get 0 marks or 10 marks. If you put in the workings and you make a mistake, you can still get 7 out of 10. Okay? So all I'm going to do is add these all together. Like so. What you get when you add them all together? I might know. 1193. Okay. We're going to divide that 1193 by how many numbers? Lads, 1193 divided by 7, anybody? Huh? 170? So did you do like, what's it, 1? This? Give me a second. Alright, guys. Whoa, I got this. Did I forget a number? Oh, no, plus 168. I forgot 168. 1193. Divide that by 7. Yeah, you round it down. Sorry, the answer is 170.4. We got 170.4. Yeah. All right. Next one. This one was a bit of just a curveball, just a bit of probability. I know we haven't really done probability yet, but just for argument's sake. All right. Marker picks one of the 4 sauces at random. Write down the probability she picked hot sauce. Anybody know the answer to this? 1 in 4. You have 4, or 25%, but I think they wanted an fraction, didn't they? Good man. Now, next thing. Margaret picks 1 sauce and 1 type of chicken. All right. Fill in below. Try 3 different combinations. Okay. So what you want? What anybody have suggestions for a combination? Sweet chili and fried chicken. Yeah. Mayo and. Does everyone understand that any answer is relevant? Okay. Now, lads, next one. How many? Write down the total number of different possibility combinations that Margaret could pick. Work out the total. Now it's 12. I'll explain why it's 12. Yeah. 4 options in the first, 3 options in the second, 4 times 3, 12 different options. Did anybody write down all the options? Fair enough. Quicker way to do it is 4 options by 3 options, 12 options. All right. Now, here's the question I actually wanted, was the Venn diagram, because we did one yesterday. Oh, sorry, yeah, pie chart. Okay. Lads. So, this isn't too bad, all right? Do you see the way 90 degrees? 90 degrees is 150 calories. Everybody cool with that? Can anybody in class tell me what 1 degree would be? Divide both sides by 90, isn't it? So would everybody agree that 1 degree would be the equivalent of 5/3 calories? Does that make sense? All right. Listen, right? 90 degrees and 1 degree. 1 degree is 90 times smaller than 90 degrees. Would you agree with that? So I divide both sides by 90. Okay. Now, it wants me to find out what 130 degrees is. I'll probably close that window in a second. It's cold now. So, yeah, you do it, yeah. All right, so lads, Multiply this by 130. What do we get? Because 130 is 130 times bigger, isn't it? So you get your 5 over 3 and you multiply it by 130. What do we get? 200 and roughly. Oh, sorry. Oh, am I messing this up? Oh, sorry. I'm going the wrong way. No. Look at this. Sorry, guys. I'm totally going the wrong way here. What? Oh, yeah. Yeah. Sorry, guys. Lads, I'm on a mirror right now. Let's do this, all right? So, lads, sorry, guys. Let's try this a different way. We get our 600 and we take away our, 150, our 240, and our 130, is it? And you get 80 left over. Okay? Now, this ain't so bad anymore. Because you listening? We're going to convert 130. We're going to say 130 divided by how much? 600. Multiply by 360. Okay? 130 divided by 600, because that's the fraction of calories that belongs to the cheese. And you're going to multiply that by 360. Okay? And you're going to get 78 degrees. Anyone get 78 degrees? Would you think that's a good answer? Because it has to be smaller than 150, doesn't it? And 90 is bigger than 78, so I think that's a good answer. Now, lads, here's a lazy way to do the next part. You could just add up all three angles and take it away from 360. Or, your other option is 80 divided by 600 multiplied by 360. What answer did you get for that? 48, perfect. Is that all right? So, lads, we did that. The mayonnaise was 80 calories. Who got 80 calories for mayonnaise? All right. Now, lads, finally, the Venn diagram. Yeah, we did all that already, didn't we? We actually worked out the table already. So, I need to take this picture here. And I need to bring it to the next page with me. Need to shrink it down. All right, lads. Now, I'm going to grab this picture here. I'm going to put it. And we're going to move over here. There's my my Venn diagram, isn't it? Oh, sorry, my pie chart. Sometimes I just get something stuck in my head and I say stuff wrong. Happens. All right. Lads, look at this. Ready? Okay, let's do it. Draw a line going to the right. Okay. Grab your protractor, which is here. Okay. Grab a protractor and let's have a look. Okay. I'm going to go for 144 degrees. Is that cool? So I'm going to grab this all the way and around here is 144. Is that all right? Around there. Okay, guys. Now, if I was to do this like you have to do it, you have to draw like a little mark up here. And then you sort of, you pull it away. And then you line up your ruler. That'll go straight through the middle, don't you? And then you just stop about there, don't you? All right. So that's 144 degrees. And what's that one called? The fried chicken. That's there we label it. All right. We'll do the easy one now. The easy one is the 90 degrees. Straight down, isn't it? And what was that for? The wrap. Now you have to do one more. Okay, so here's how I'm going to do the next one. I'm going to get my protractor and I'm going to line it straight down, like so. See where I'm putting it here? And I'm going to have to go for 78 degrees. Okay, hopefully this will reset. All right, so 78 degrees. See, I'm working on the. See the way I'm working on the outside on this one? Yeah. So I'm going to go towards 78 there, out there, and then I'm going to join it in the middle, like so. And that one's 78, isn't it? And what do we get there? Cheese. And then finally the last one is what? When we add them all up together. 48 and mayo. I'll just call it mayo. And we're done.